Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to set this thing up before you get going. So this is the handle it comes with. Really easy. I've turned it so you can see. This has slots so you can line it up and snap it in. So now you have a handle, so that's good. And then, of course, your inlet water flow at the bottom. And then here's your outlet over here. So here's the fittings that it comes with, and you can see you have different options. So this, of course, is the one that screws into your outlet here. You can see it has a rubber gasket on there. So you shouldn't need to use any of the Teflon tape on it if you tighten it up enough. That rubber seal should do enough for you. So turn, tighten that, and then you have a couple other choices you can make. So if you want to use a hose, I don't remember the exact sizes for this one. You can use a hose, slide it on there and clamp it. If you have some bigger tubing or a different thread, you could cut this part off to get to these threads, or you could just use your bigger hose. So it really depends on how much water flow you need. So you can gauge what you need specifically, and then make the determination of which section of this you need to go with. And once you do that, of course, you just screw it on, and it does have a rubber gasket in there also, so you can screw that one on, or you can use this one that has, I think that's maybe a 3/4 inch thread, I'm not positive. This one it didn't come with the gasket, so I would say if you use this, you want to use the Teflon, do a few wraps around there, and then you can screw that on, and then screw your hose onto there for the water to be pushed out. So that's it.